Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. Today I'm sharing stitching of narrow pants. I've shared its cutting in my recent video. If you want to check it out, I'll share the link in the description box and in the I button on the screen. So let's get started. Firstly, I'll stitch the front and back crotch curve. Now I'll overlock it. Similarly, I'll stitch the other side. So I've stitched the crotch. Now on the front side I'll make pleats. To make pleat, join both points and start stitching. At the end, don't make back and forth stitch to secure the thread. Just cut the long tail of thread and tie a knot. Similarly, I'll stitch the other pleat. So I've stitched both pleats and I've ironed it. Now I'll attach the belt. I've pasted this fusing buckram and I've folded the seam allowance on one side, and this is how it will look. Now I'll attach it with the pants. Place the belt on the wrong side of pant and make a stitch. Now turn the belt towards the right side, keep the seam allowance inwards and make a top stitch. So I have attached the belt and this is how it looks. Now on the back side I'll add elastic. I have taken elastic 1 inch less than the waist round. Waist round is 30 inch and half of it will be 15, as I am adding elastic only on the back side, and this is 14 inch. I have folded and ironed the seam allowance. Now I'll stitch the elastic. Now place the elastic and make a stitch to secure it. the seam allowance direction upwards. Fold the belt by half and make a stitch. Keep stretching the elastic till the other end. So I've attached the elastic. Now I'll make the center stitch. Just stretch the elastic and make the stitch. Center stitch, let the elastic stay in place and distribute the gathers equally. Now I'll finish the bottom round. Just double fold the fabric and make a stitch. Similarly, I'll stitch the other sides. Now I'll stitch side and center seam. So I made a stitch. Now I'll overlock it and similarly I'll stitch the other side. Lastly, I'll stitch the center seam. So I've stitched the center seam. Now I'll overlock it, and with this my narrow pant is ready, and this is how it looks. I've shared this kurti stitching in my previous video. I just wanted to share the complete look. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.